Well, hello loves, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm sharing with you the new updates to my staircase. I have been promising this video and I'm finally getting around to doing it. Let me share with you the look of the before of this staircase. Oh, it was much needed. I knew when we moved into this home, this was one of the things that was going to be redone. We knew we wanted to tear down this wall, open it up a bit, and it was a must have to redo. Now this is in the middle of the process. Midways, this redo took about 3 weeks to complete. And I must say, I am so blessed to have this contractor. He does an amazing job. Very precise. His quality of work is unbelievable. He uses real wood on the stairs and he stains it to the color that you want. And I'm taking you into my home now to let you see the new stairs. Again, he did an amazing job. Now the spindles, the curvy spindles, that was a must-have for me going up the stairs. We also changed out this light fixture. It was a light fixture that was something else I wanted to get rid of, had to go. And I'll show you later what we replaced it with. And then my hubby, he wanted to do a piece of artwork for the staircase wall because it's massive. And I was like, okay, I really wanted to buy something to put there. But we're gonna see what you work with and see what you do. And as you can see here, he's out on our back patio painting a art piece. And if you can't tell, it's a grand piano. Now while he was doing that, do you remember these nesting tables that I picked up clearance from Ross? Well, I knew when I saw these that I wanted to spray paint them silver, and that's what I did. I taped up everything that I needed to, prepping these nesting tables so I can get to work on them. These nesting tables were $9.99 a piece. So guys, do you remember this bench that I thrifted? I picked this up at the Habitat of Humanities. It's been a minute. But it's time to get this thing transformed like I want to have it and use it in the space. I'm going to recover the top of this bench and I'm going to spray paint the base. Now I went to Hobby Lobby and found this faux leather. It's not leather, but it was on the clearance aisle or the clearance section for just $7.46. So now I'm going to take my favorite spray paint and spray paint the base of this bench. Now as the base of the bench was drying, my hubby went to work on the top of this bench. He pulled out his air staple gun, and he also went to work. Having the right tools to do projects like this is a must-have. And there is the finished cushion. Now I'm loving it with the black leather. So right now we're attaching the base back to the cushion. Alright guys, and this is how it looks. Turned out amazing. I love it. I absolutely love it. So now I'm going to go put it in its space. Stay tuned. So now I'm going to take you to the upstairs landing, and as you can see, we have flooring up here as well. Now when our contractor did the stairs, Hubby, I'm going to place it on him. I told him, I said, you should let him do the flooring. And once the stairs was done, he agreed with me after the fact. So we had to call our contractor back to do the flooring upstairs, and I love it. We also painted the walls up here. And remember this light fixture that was over my kitchen nook table? I couldn't part with that. So we placed it here in the upstairs landing. We took the flooring from the landing to the hallway, and I absolutely love it. Here's a view of the hallway, the landing going to the hallway, where my boys' bedrooms are. Now I do have to paint this hall. I may get to it this year, I may not, we'll see. Because I don't like the peachy oranginess of the hall. And of course, when I paint, I'm definitely going to change the light fixture as well. But I'm loving this flooring. I am loving this flooring throughout this hallway and the landing. You can see that's a basic light fixture. It has to go. Just have not came across anything that I like just yet. So are you ready for the reveal of it all put together? Well, here it is, starting at my front doors. This is what you see when you step in. This is the staircase. And when you look up at the staircase, here is the artwork that my hubby did. I am wowed by this piece. He even trimmed it out with wood. I absolutely love it. I love seeing it every time I go up and down this staircase. Now along each side of this art piece, we've placed these beautiful black sconces that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Now I thought about putting some cylinders, some glass cylinders. I even tried some battery operated candles on top of this, but they were knocked down very easily. So I decided not to put anything up there. I just may do something when guests comes. That's it. but I'm loving it. And here's the look of the stairs as I'm looking down. But I'm going to share with you the landing area. This picture I kind of took from my oldest son. I'm borrowing it for the moment until I come across something that I really want. This lion picture he had in black, white, and gray. And we do have, what, 3 Leos in the house, so it's kind of fitting. Taking you over to the nesting tables. I kept it simple over here. I just placed some candle holders and a little ginger jar. But these nesting tables I absolutely love in the silver tone with those acrylic legs. Very slimline, sleek, so pretty to me. Now I'm going to take you over to the bench. This is where the bench was placed. And this is the reason why I wanted it silver and black, to tie in with everything up here. I'm loving it. And I just placed a fur pillow, a fur throw, this Blessed pillow that or pillow cover that I picked up from Amazon. And to tie in a little fall of bling pumpkin and those beautiful large silver pumpkins that I picked up a couple of years ago from Tuesday Morning. But I'm loving the flooring up here in this space. It takes you to our game room. I don't have to worry about the walkway of this area because you wear down carpet so easily, and it's so easy to clean. Next year you'll be seeing another project. I have already talked to the contractor that I want him to do. I just didn't want to have a remodel going on during the holidays. So let me know what you think about my staircase. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for some beautiful home decor, home essentials, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning Diva family member, I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are a part of the Diva family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll talk to you real soon.